Our client installed the washing machine and he started using it today. That is it. So he's used it for 30 minutes. We instructed our client to use the washing machine once the battery is full, and that is how he's going to use the production from the panel directly. You can see the battery is 100% full. It is 15 minutes to 4. Battery charging current is 0 and the battery discharge is 0. The AC active output is 212 and the apparent power is 275. That is like 77 PF, power factor of 77%. That is an indicator that we have some inductive loads in the system. That is the motor from the washing machine. So if you want such a system, you can visit us at Kalen, East Africa. You'll meet Engineer Mercy and his team, and they will design it for you. As always, choose the right company to do your solar PV systems. Choose Kalen East Africa Limited.